Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily request a Microsoft warranty repair. To start, go to Microsoft.com, then in the top right corner you will see a sign in icon. Once you are signed in, the icon should show your name. Click on it and then select My Microsoft Account. On the My Microsoft Account page, it will show you your subscriptions as well as the devices. You're going to go ahead and select All Devices. On the All Devices page, you should see all the devices you have that are from Microsoft. If you do not see one, click Add Device at the top of the screen and enter the serial number. Once you select a device, the device details will show you the serial number, and device coverage will show you how much time you have left on your warranty with Microsoft. To start a new service, scroll to the bottom and select Start Service Online. From here, select the category and issue type. Be sure to select the best match for the issue you are having. Then, in the description box below, describe more detail. Try to provide as much detail as possible for the Microsoft support team. On the next screen, you will see the shipping information. You can ship it to your current address or select Enter a new address in the middle of the screen, and then you will be prompted for a new address. Once you have filed your warranty claim, you can track it on the Info and Support tab. From here, you will see when the order was created, as well as print the shipping label to send the item back to Microsoft. It will also update you once it's received at the service center and when your device has been repaired and is on its way, or if they are sending a replacement item. And that is all there is to it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below in the comments section. And if you found this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe. Have a great day.